Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first derivative of this one in here. First derivative of number 5, you got about 0. First derivative of z to the power of 2, we will have about 2z. So negative number 3 multiplied by number 2, we have negative 6z dz. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we can put the negative next to the u. So this one we change by u. 6z dz we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's it about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. In this situation, I will add about ae to the power of s. Later that we need to minus ae to the power of s. So this one in here, we can put about inside the parenthesis, and that's about ae to the power of s minus b. So this one we have 2ae to the power of s. This one divided by this one, you got about number 1. So that should be like this, because we have the negative sign in here. So we have negative number 1. The integration of number 1, you got about s, and we have negative s in here. So we just have this one left. Now I will concentrate about this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to ae to the power of s ds. So this one we change by u, and this one we change by du. The integration of this one, we got to ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's it about this one. So we put about c in here. Now we combine the answer in here. And we got about this one minus s. We put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.